Nigerians, come closer. Everyone, come closer. The problems that Nigerians are facing today is not just the leaders. Do you get the point? Nigerians are facing problems that you and I, if you are not smart, you're never going to see it or notice it. The two problems that are really pending that that are causing problem in Nigeria is number one is crude oil. The second thing is Biafra, which the Igbos are the ones championing Biafra. So the two problems are very simple: crude oil and Biafrans, the Igbos. That's why everywhere you go, they want to suppress the Igbos, they want to terminate them, they want to destroy them by their businesses and physically in anything, position, government appointment, in anything. They just want to take them out, just to suppress them. So those are the two problems that Nigerians have. But many of them don't seem to understand that. Listen, if you don't know, let me tell you, your leaders, name them Gowon, Babangida, Obasanjo, Jonathan, Buhari, just name them all. They had contracts, written contracts, duly signed by this man to become a stooge to these colonial masters. Whatever thing they say, they do. They don't care about you. They don't know if you are shouting. They don't even know if you are suffering. That is what has led. This is an ill-concealed anger and frustration and hunger that has lingered for more than 60 years. And people are just waking up to start to lament. Listen, Nigerians, you guys will go through a lot. You know why I don't like Nigerians? Nigerians, the bigots, which you know Yorubas are number one. They are playing as number one bigotry in that nation. Let me tell you, you can revolt 10 times upon 10 times. Revolution can come and go, come and go. These guys, they don't care about what you want to do. If you watch what is going on, these guys, they use Yorubas. When the North, the Hausa, the Fulanis, they present this platform, rather, they present this idea which the masters already given to them to come and present. They will present it to Yorubas. The Yorubas will immediately give it go ahead. When last did you hear about groundnuts? When last did you hear about cocoa? The only thing they concentrate is in oil. Okay, let me break it down. Why did I say crude oil is a problem? Because this is what the colonial masters, their masters want. So, because the oil, the Biafrans want to separate, they want to go their separate ways. And if they succeed in doing that, the oil is in their region. That is where the oil is concentrated. So anything that will make Biafra not to come is what they are doing. So if you don't get it very clear. You shouting in Benin, you shouting in Ikwere, you shouting in South. You need to make up your mind. You need to get sense. If you don't have the sense, try to borrow one. That word, one Nigeria, is what is keeping you people to be hungry today. Whether you're in the university as a lecturer, you are a worker in the ministry, you will continue to be hungry because of this singular product called crude oil. Because they need this crude oil desperately and they are doing everything to have it. For the fact that you have that word, one Nigeria, that is your problem. If you can differentiate two of them, separate two of them, you will see that the people that has the crude oil will be safe. Why the people that has groundnuts and cocoa will go their ways and do their thing. But because that oil is the only thing they can lay their hands on immediately to make much money, to borrow money, to do everything they want to do. Because IMF is giving them loan today, they are looking at the oil. World Bank is giving them loan today, they are looking at the oil. Without the oil, they will never give them such loan. And when they give them the loan, they squander it, they useless it, they use it, they steal it. You do nothing about it. There is nothing you can do. So, and what the strategy they imply, they use division among tribes. They have one or two persons who will accept their idea. You understand? Immediately they sell the idea to you in the south, in the east, like Hope Uzodinma, you buy the idea because you have eye to become one of the leaders. Then they have gotten you. Anything they want you to do, you are ready to do it. They are happy with you. They will protect you. So this is what is going on. Do you understand? Only that crude oil is what they have. And because Biafrans want to secede, they don't want it. Because of that, they will never let Nigeria be. And Nigerians will even suffer more, even in the next 40 years. So far you stay in that one Nigeria, you will see more suffering that you have never seen before. That is just the truth. Take it or you leave it. But I bet you, this is just the reason why you see they don't want any separation. You can take it from the one they call Igboho, the Yoruba nation. Igboho came out as a Yoruba man. Normally he shout, make noise. They called him, they explained things to him, they give him some money. He's inside. Have you heard him talk in that time? While Nnamdi Kanu is still inside. The same problem, the same issue, Nnamdi Kanu is there, Igboho is out. So this is to tell you that they are not talking about you, they are just looking at the oil. That oil, gas, that's all they need. Immediately they get the gas, they are happy, they sell it, they siphon the money, they steal it. Immediately you don't see it anymore. The oil is there, they can just go and scoop it, no problem. So with that platform, One Nigeria, that is where they have the power to take that oil and to steal the money. For those of you coming from the south who still think that Nigeria is going to be put together, bro, it will never be put together. It is not a negative attribute, it's just a reality. But because you have failed to understand and to see the reality, you will keep wondering and, hovering in your mind that come next year it will be good. Tinubu is gearing up to put his son Sheyi on top to maintain the Tinubu dynasty and also be under that contract they have already signed. So you are expecting Sheyi Tinubu to change the narrative or to do otherwise. I think you are wasting your bloody time, you know? You understand what I'm saying? You are wasting your bloody time. Go get yourself something doing and fix yourself, like I keep telling people. If you have talent and you don't want to make use of it, you are waiting for political appointment, you're gonna destroy yourself in no distant time. This is all I have for you guys this morning. One Nigeria is the problem Nigerians have, and this is what has kept Nigeria very hungry, very hopeless, and very stupid. Because you know that word Nigeria means nothing. It doesn't mean anything in any language. In Yoruba language, it means nothing. In Igbo language, in Hausa language, Nigeria means nothing. It's not honesty. It is not bright future. It is not sunshine. It's nothing. It means nothing. So one Nigeria is the reason why you are suffering. If you want to continue to suffer, remain in that one Nigeria, and your life will still be in this form today. It will never change. Take it from me or you leave it. Don't follow Yoruba bigots. They are bigots. Thank you. And to be honest with you, Nigerians, the best way and the fastest way to free yourself, to be free and not to be hungry anymore, is to tear those contracts your leaders signed with their colonial masters, their masters. Take those leaders out, all of them, they have to be taken out. Immediately you do that, you take all of them out, and the coast will be clear to form a new system and the new people with a new and fresh mind. Without that, bro, sister, you are all wasting your time. I tell you, this is just the solution. Thank you.